When it comes to getting dinner on the table, the last thing we need is some complicated recipe with a long list of ingredients. So with that in mind, I know you're going to love today's recipe that has only 5 ingredients, and it goes together in minutes. All we do is combine some Dijon mustard, a splash of vegetable oil, a little lemon juice, and some chopped dill. Once that's mixed, we add in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and let them sit for a bit so they can soak up all that flavor. Then right before we call the troops to the table, we discard the extra marinade and sear these in a grill pan or in a skillet until each side is golden and they're cooked through. We could even marinate these up to a day if we want. Either way, after cooking these for just minutes, you have a fancy-dancy tasting dinner that's healthier, cheaper, and easier than picking up takeout. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our What Chicken. The reason we call it that is there is bound to be one person at the table who will gobble it up quickly and ask for more. And when you ask them, what happened to your chicken? They're going to say, what chicken? I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very simple way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.